Hi, I'm Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. The weather is getting a bit warmer and I'm sure everyone wears a lot of shirts these days. Today I'm going to show you how to tuck shirts flatteringly, especially if you like me having a little bit of a belly, and make sure that it doesn't create a bulge. We want to make sure that it's as flattering as possible. Today I'm showing you 5 ways how to tuck shirts. Tie a bow using a ring, just any plain ring that you have in your wardrobe. Still leaves the 3 buttons fastened, leave the top 2 open. Roll the back up. And then make sure that the bit under is being tucked in first. Just go over into the ring. Make sure you adjust it, and then the second bit on the right hand side goes on the top of your left, therefore it stays there securely. Ta-da! It's tucked and the back is nice and secure, and the front is tucked. This way is very flattering if you have a tummy like me, and if you do not like the 2 bit dangling at the front, but I think it's very flattering because it hides the belly and it creates a little bit of movement, and you can just hold it and then flip it into your shirt inside. There we go. This is the second tuck. So you can see the front and the back. It stays nice and secure. The third tuck is to use a belt. So lift your blouse up, tie the belt under your blouse over your skin. Make sure that it stays above the top of your trousers. And then just tuck your shirt into your belt and then adjust. So the shirt stays nice and secure, and also creates an illusion that stays at the hem. Looks like it's being tucked in, but it's being secured by a belt. And then if you really like this look, the long back look, and then this trick would work. And then your belt, make sure that your shirt stays in place. It doesn't matter how you move, and your shirt stays there. It's a very nice and neat finish. So here is the crossover tuck. Leave the 3 middle buttons fastened and leave the top 2 open. Take the shirt under, roll the back up, and then take the shirt on the left, because this bit is under the right, the left side is under the right side. So always tuck the side under in first. Go, tuck it in, and then take the right hand side, tuck it in. So there you go, and then just adjust it. So this is the crossover tuck. There's another way to tuck, which is make a knot at the back and fasten up the buttons, all of it, and then just roll it, roll the shirt in, roll it, and then hold on to it. And then at the back, just twist a couple of times and then tuck it in your trousers. Pull it up a little bit. So this does work as well. There's another way, which is to tie a knot. Leave the 3 middle buttons fastened and then just roll up the back, and then gather the front of your shirt until it reaches the top of your trousers, and then just tie it once, then tie it twice. So there's the tie a bow. So if you do not like this way, and then just tuck it under, again and back. Ta-da! It's nice and neat. And then there's another way. If you want a longer back, the back not tucked in, leave 1 button unfastened, all the rest of the buttons fastened except the top 2, and then take the shirt, left side left, right side into the right. So the front of your shirt ended up like this. So all you do is just to raise your arms and then drop. That way it creates the maximized movement, and then therefore your shirt, whatever that position stays, it stays like that. It won't pull further, so you know how much to adjust. And then just leave it at the back floating and drapes as how your shirt drapes, because this one is not as oversized as I would like to, but however this is the shirt that the color is good for camera, so I'm showing you this today. So this is how. Another way, or if you like, you can put the belt back on to secure the front. There you go. It gives adds a little bit of accessory to your outfit and also secures the shirt. You can see, doesn't matter how high my arms are raised, the shirt stays at that position. There you go. My outfit today is, this is a very old shirt I bought years ago from Uniqlo, and white jeans is Levi. I'm wearing slippers, they are a little bit furry, so just matching it even though you can't see it, so I'm just showing them to you. That's it today. Many thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.